This fragrance right here is from the House of Oud, and this is from their Crazy collection. This particular one is called Gambling, and it's an eau de parfum, and it comes in a 2.5 fluid ounce or 75 ml bottle. The color of this box is very interesting. It's a very like pale green, almost like a matcha green, almost maybe a little bit lighter than that. Comes with a sleeve and also this purple foil lettering that it has, and also the Gambling and Crazy collection lettering is in this light pink, like pale pink, which you can see at the pull tab right there. And yeah, it comes in this green box that is textured, and the texturing goes all throughout. And you'll notice right now when I open the box, it comes with that little piece of paper, and that paper has the same texturing as the box. It also has the foiling for the purple, and that's how they tie that together. It has like a little bit of a message and stuff that says on there about the fragrance. And yeah, that's pretty small, interesting little paper, but it says the House of Oud on the back, how to reach their website. Then you got the fragrance here, and as you can see, it has this big block of like gold looking block that has the house on it, and that is actually kind of heavy, so it lends itself for it being as a good counterweight for the fragrance itself. I'll talk more about the fragrance notes and all that stuff later. This right here, actually, the top of it comes off, and that's where the fragrance at. I always thought it was on that little block itself, but it's not. It's actually on this top rock thing or ceramic thing. I'm not sure what it's made out of, but that top stuff looks like it's painted, but it might not be. It looks like it might be like a sticker or something on it and then cleared over. But yeah, it looks very interesting. The counterweight is very heavy and lends itself well to keeping it straight and not so it doesn't fall over pretty easy. But it looks pretty interesting. I like the art they did on this one, and it only fits one way because it's an oblong shape. But yeah, tell me if you guys have smelled this one and what do you guys think about it. All right, cuckoo.